In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 105 by 2 using the long division method. 1 is less than 2, so we will consider the number 10. We know that 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As 0 is less than 2, so we will bring down this number 5 here. Now see that this is the number 5. So we can remove this 0. Now 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. So in this case, we will put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 105 divided by 2 is equal to 52.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.